What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on Zomedica Corporation. First of all, brief information about this company. Zomedica Corporation operates as a development stage company. It creates products for companion animals by focusing on the unmet needs of clinical veterinarians. It plans to offer novel diagnostics and therapeutics that focuses on patient health and practice health. And they are about to launch their first product, and it is a TrueForma. It is a diagnostic system for pets. They can make multiple analysis and they can make it in a matter of minutes. As you can see, it is very easy to use. First of all, they have to obtain a sample, then add sample to cartridge. Third point is insert cartridge into TrueForma, and results in 20 minutes or less on average. So this system will drastically increase the work of veterinarians, and the launch date was planned on March 30th, and it's not far from this point. And let me show you some financials of this company. So their total market cap for now is $1.79 billion. They have a net loss of $15.6 million, and it's obvious for a company that doesn't have any products on market. And they have plenty of money, as according to this balance sheet. They have $52.59 million, and their total debt is $1.4 million. So they have so much money to cover all their debts. And on top of that, on February 16th, Zomedica Corporation announces full exercise of over-allotment option by underwriter. And after giving effect of the full exercise of the over-allotment option, the gross proceeds are approximately $200 million before deducting underwriting discounts and commissions and other offering expenses payable by Zomedica. And Zomedica intends to use the net proceeds from the offering to the continued development of its diagnostics platforms, including making milestones payments, if any, as they come due under the existing license and collaboration agreements for strategic acquisitions, and if when they become available, and other general corporate and working capital purposes. So they have so much money to operate, and let me show you their statements why they have this huge loss. Two main points of their operation expenses are R&D expenses and certain general and admin expenses. It's very usual for this type of companies that because they have so many R&D expenses in their pipeline. And let me show you some information about institutional investors. Some of the institutional investors are buying. As you can see, they started to accumulate their position. Some of them just reduced their position, some of them add their position, some of them closed their position. And let me show you how many sellers and buyers and what are their share. As you can see, we have recent buys of small amount of shares, and some of them, as Vinton Capital, they add huge position, and as you can see, Vanguard add tremendous amount of money to their position. They basically tripled their shares, and it's a great company. And let me show you sellers. Recent sell-offs, they're not so big in general, but as you can see, Citadel Advisors reduced their position a little bit more than by half, and they just take profit at February the 16th. So, in my opinion, it's just a temporary sell-off of the stocks of this company. And before we dive deep into the technical analysis, please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and if you like my video, please hit the like button as well. Well, here is the chart. We are on daily time frame, and as you can see, we've missed this movement to the upside of more than 40%, and it's totally okay. You will never catch all the highs and all the lows of the asset. Let me show you my setup for this company, and it was an amazing setup. We've made around 110%, and some of you might even hold your position from this point, from about 88 or maybe 90 cents for share, and you're still up of 132%. It was very technical movement, and let me show you my projections. Here is the Fibonacci Extension tool. I put the first point at the bottom of this wave, second one at the top of the wave, third one at the bottom of the retracement. My main target was right around 1-to-1 extension, and it was a confluence zone with the 0.65 region from the top of all-time high. I took Fibonacci retracement tool, pull it from the top to the bottom, and here was the confluence zone, and as you can see, the next aggressive target was at 1.618, and we've hit this target. It was the second one, but I didn't mention about it on my previous video. By the way, the link will be in the description below. And basically, yeah, you can miss some trades, but your main target is to protect your capital, and then your secondary target is to grow your capital. And let me show you my thoughts on this movement. So, in my opinion, we have 5 waves in here. This is the top, and this retracement is not accurate anymore. And we have the retracement from the bottom. Let me show it for you, from the bottom to the top. And for now we bounce back from 0.5 level, and it was our previous resistance, as you can see, and we might even make it longer to this point. As you can see here, we have some price actions, and it's basically the range of resistances and supports, and we've hit it with the flying colors and then bounce back, and we did it with a decent amount of volume. This means it might be a reversal point for this asset. And here you can see their earning report, and it will take place on March the 3rd. And in my opinion, if you want to invest in this company, if you want to have this company in your portfolio, I think it is a great company. But you have to be extremely cautious, because they don't have any products for now on the market, and the only product that they rely on is Trueforma, and everything will depend on this product and how many products, how many Trueforma systems they will sell. And we will know it I think after their launch, and their launch will be on March 30th. Let me put here a vertical line, and here is our first point in time, here's our second point in time, and between these 2 points I think we might have some price action right around maybe $2.50 mark at the top, for about the $1.50 mark from this, for this region. And basically all this region, if you want to invest, all this region will be your accumulation zone. I don't think that you might catch the trade, because for now it's so many uncertainties on the market. The market is bleeding, as you can see. But if you want to invest, you can add your position right here. Then next point will be right here, and maybe right here. And everything will depend on their earnings report and on their launch, their product. So I think that's it for now. If you like my video, if you like my channel, please subscribe and hit the like button. In this case, you won't miss my next video. See you next time, guys. Bye.